Bitcoin for green, money on Ethereum, Solana sinking user base, and what's cooking between Indians and meme coins. All this and more इस week के WazirX Weekly Wrap से। सबसे पहले let's see how the market is doing. While we are recording this video, market struggle कर रहा है 3 trillion capital dollar को maintain करने के लिए. Bitcoin has lost 30% of its ATH value. अभी $86K पर है, down from $90K at the week start. Ethereum 11% down है. It's trading below the $3K mark at $2.8K currently. Moving on, JP Morgan अपना first ever tokenized money market fund Money MONY launch कर रहा है Ethereum पर. JPM is seeding the fund with its own capital of $100 million investors के लिए open करने से पहले. नाम funny है, but it is a major milestone. On-chain finance future है और blockchains the next institutional grade infra. Bhutan pledges 10,000 BTC for its mindfulness city. The mountain nation has committed 10,000 BTC Jelliform mindfulness city develop करने के लिए, which will become an economic hub for southern Bhutan. It's cool how Bitcoin अब nations के लिए एक strategic reserve है. Through this project, Bhutan अपनी BTC strategy को gross national happiness model से जोड़ रहा है. 448% increase in Bitcoin treasuries. पिछले 2 सालों में companies have acquired 448% more Bitcoin. Bitcoin Maxi माइकल सेलर की माइक्रो स्ट्रैटेजी ने ये ट्रेजरी मॉडल पायनियर किया, जिससे दुनिया की बड़ी कंपनीज जैसे टेस्ला, मर्सिडोर लिब्रे, Riot Platform, Maram Holdings, etc. ने फॉलो किया. However, ये मॉडल foolproof नहीं है. Amplified exposure also means more volatility and amplified losses when BTC falls. Bitcoin is now less volatile than Nvidia. Yes, despite all the volatility we saw in the past week, BTC कम volatile है Nvidia जैसे बड़े टेक स्टॉक से, क्योंकि BTC का investor base widen हो रहा है. Not just retailers, but institutions, companies, asset managers, and nation states now have Bitcoin in their portfolios. Solana loses 7 times users. Solana ने last year 100 million users hit किए thanks to Pump.fun and meme coins. But in 2025, Solana का user base 7 times से decline हुआ. Active users have dropped from 4.8 million to 680K. But finally, एक interesting stat around meme coins. India ranks second highest in meme coin interest. According to a CoinGecko report, India now ranks second among countries with the most interest in meme coins, just after the US. 20% of page views on meme coins came on from Indians alone. Shiba Inu smiling in a corner. इस वीक के राउंड अप का रैप अप करते हैं. आप अपनी ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी में क्या चेंजेस कर रहे हैं? कमेंट्स में बताएं.
The information, content, and materials shared in this video are solely for educational and informational purposes. The contents are not an inducement by WazirX to you to invest, transact, buy, or sell. Neither is it intended to market, promote, or sell any cryptocurrencies, VDAs, and/or products or services related thereto. For more details, please refer to WazirX Terms of Use and WazirX Disclaimer.